Hey team, welcome to your weekly update. I have a few things for you this week. I just want to go through. First, I have just a couple of reminders. I know you've seen the update probably in Slack from Amber on some new coupons that just went out. We were very excited to introduce a couple new VIP coupons to some very special clients of ours that also happen to own their own businesses to be able to forward to their employees as a little give them a break kind of thing for being wonderful clients of ours, to be able to pass on to their own employees as a perk to them. So very excited for that. These individuals can bring in the email that they print. They can just show it to you on their screen is fine. Really, we just need that little code to find the code and have a mark that goes along with it. That way we can track, where the coupons are coming from, to know where those are coming from. So I put the little reminder there. I'll drop the notes below the video and the update. I want to remind too, as far as the break room, guys, it tends to be like we do really well with the break room in all our areas, and then we kind of slack a little bit and we start leaving things a little bit everywhere, kind of getting comfortable again. So purses and all kinds of items, really put them away if you can into your lockers. Keep things neat and tidy. Clean up after yourself, obviously, after you eat or use the break room in any way. Just keeping it nice and clean for everybody. It's very much a large shared space between a lot of people, so that's hard, and we just have to remind a couple times. So please keep up with that. Take lunch boxes home and umbrellas and all the other things that we bring in there, please. That would be very helpful to keep it clean. A couple new things I do want to go over. This obviously is coming from 4th of July being quite busy, but we do want to let you know furthermore, continuing on to holiday schedules, with us being the only ones open around really in town other than the emergency clinic, we have a high need and demand for people. Thank goodness we're here and can see their pets, to see them for the things that they absolutely need seeing that day. So this is a lot of more emergency type things, or urgent situations that do need to be seen about, sick pets. So we will no longer do over the counter, which we weren't doing yet. We weren't doing on holidays anyway, but just a reminder, no over the counter, no wellness or puppy kitten series type appointments either. So please be careful when scheduling, noticing that if that day is a holiday, do not schedule those routine type visits. Those can wait for our regular routine day, not a holiday. We have enough walk-ins and all those other types of emergencies that day. So just wanted to remind that there, that is new. So please go along with those protocols going forward for holidays. We do have a new Slack channel. So Lost and Found Pets. The channel was created as a place for us to share information on lost, found, and rehoming pets. Having it all on one channel does make it a whole lot easier for sure. So that was made for that instance. So please feel free to use that there. It's super helpful to have it all in one spot. I have a mark update. As you all know, if you work today, we did have one. An update did happen. There are some differences, so please be aware of that. That's just part of the update. Is what it is. Can't change it. So you'll notice that you can post right from the work list. If you had longer than a 5-character password, you probably couldn't get in this morning to Avmark. If that's you, get a manager's help. We can change your password, and then you can rechange it obviously from there to 4 characters or less. That way you can get in. It's pretty important that happens. Let's see what else. A couple block offs were changed by accident through this update. So be mindful if anything looks odd to you. Ask before just placing appointments and such like that. Another thing that happened, I think was a little bit different, was just some of the indexes we thought would be fixed, which were causing small errors, like reporting mostly, honestly, that we use in management office quite often. Wasn't working before. Well, it's still not working now, so we have a little more work to do tonight. And there was also some errors. I'm sure everyone noticed when you logged in, it gave like a little error. It's okay, you can work through those things. And the same thing for like the Antec IDEX error that you're getting as well. Just try again. If it didn't work that time, it's intermittent, and Antec is working on that with Avmark. So that is a known issue that may or may not be fixed after tonight, but again, just try it again if it's that Antec one. As far as the others, we're going to work on some more of those tonight. NVA is going to work with Avmark directly again once more to try to finalize those issues and get those things resolved for us, along with some other cleanups and things to take out from a speed standpoint. Really try to give it a speed boost. So a couple more things to do tonight. We're not quite out of the woods and water here, but they're going to continue working on it again tonight, and we'll get updates tomorrow. As we work through those issues, please just hang on tight. but please also report them. If we don't know the issues, we definitely can't do anything about it. So Amber has helped me create a Jot form, and it's on everyone's desktop. Make it as easy as possible for you to report these things in a timely fashion. Please double click on that, and just like the suggestion box, it'll pop up with a Jot form, and just fill it out for me. It'll date time stamp for you. It'll ask which computers, if it's just yours or others are affected, or if it's all of them. You know, it'll ask you what kind of issue. Is it Avamark? Is it internet? Is it all the above? And just give a detailed description as best you can, as quickly as you can. I know your time is very important, and you're busy already, but if you can report those things, all of those Jot forms will come directly to me in an email. It is okay if I'm inundated with emails right now, because I'd rather have all the information that I can forward along to Brian, which is our NBIT specialist kind of manager there, so that he can have all the information and get it to his techs that they can work on a fix for us. So they are doing their best for sure to do that. So again, more to come tonight. You can expect an outage time. They will give a call. It won't be as long as last night, hopefully, but they'll give a call and let you know that they're going to be working on it. We'll have to pop out of the server and such. You can still use the internet, just not the server or Avamark, as that will mess them up. So let them finish. They'll call when they're done and let you know they're done, and you can get back in. So thank you so much for bearing with us and getting through this while we work on this, trying to work on a speedier Avamark as best we can with everything we have in it. It is a lot. So that's that. Last thing I do want to mention is that we are going to have some NVA visitors tomorrow. If you haven't heard yet, I just want to make sure everybody was aware. So please try to just keep your areas as neat and tidy as possible, and let's showcase to our corporate partners exactly how special our clinic is, and all of our employees and our patients and clients. Really want to do a good job showing off our facility as they are coming as support to hear about our vision for our next steps and our renovations inside, as well as other buildings and such that we'd like to, like the salon that we've been talking about for a while now that some parking lots are done. So just kind of continuing that process, and we definitely want these things to happen in good time. So we're hoping to, you know, show off our team a little bit and let them get to meet you and show our facility and get some good things going. So please help us do with that tomorrow. They'll be excited to see you. So thanks so much, guys. Have a wonderful week. We'll see you tomorrow.